The CrowdStrike Falcon platform includes a powerful integration with RiskIQ. RiskIQ's passive total aggregates information to provide insights about the ownership, use, and activity of specific assets involved in an event or attack. With this integration, CrowdStrike customers have access to that information directly from any Process Explorer view. To demonstrate the integration, we will begin with the execution details for a detection in the Falcon UI. In this example, we will focus on the Chrome execution, where we see 3 quick action icons. They indicate that this specific event is correlated to CrowdStrike intelligence indicators, network connections, and DNS requests. Directly in the detection, we can see a complete list of the network connections. For each connection and DNS query, there is an icon that allows us to pivot to RiskIQ's user interface. As an example, we will drill down on the Dropbox link that is also correlated to an intelligence indicator. This takes us to the passive total interface, where we are presented with metadata related to that specific domain. For CrowdStrike and RiskIQ's joint customers, the CrowdStrike intelligence tags also appear within the RiskIQ interface. Below the tags, there is a heat map that depicts the history of activity for this domain. It illustrates a change was made to how the domain was mapped around the end of January, and now it appears to be parked. Below the heat map, there are additional tabs for specific details available in the RiskIQ dataset for this domain. The Whois tab provides quick research into changes, additions, and subtractions to the domain's Whois record. We can drill down on many of these fields to get even more background. In this case, we will look closer at the suspicious email address for the registration to learn if this address is associated with any other domain records. We find that there are multiple suspicious domains using the same email address. Looking back at all of the available tabs for the Dropbox domain, we can also focus specifically on related hashes. Each file listed contains the suspect domain name. In this case, we have also configured the Hybrid Analysis plugin. This enables us to quickly gain additional information around the risk assessment and detected behaviors of the listed files. Finally, joint customers will also see a CrowdStrike tab. This will report any hosts in the environment that have interacted with the domain, as well as any relevant information available from CrowdStrike's intelligence team. The RiskIQ integration is available to all CrowdStrike customers as part of the execution details available around indicators of interest, DNS requests, and network operations. RiskIQ's diverse data sets provide enriched context to the detailed event data collected by CrowdStrike. To learn more about RiskIQ and the complete bidirectional integration, please visit the CrowdStrike store.